Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we're looking at RHINOSHIELD's 3D Impact Screen Protector Pro for the iPhone 16 Pro. Now, a massive thank you to RHINOSHIELD for sending this over for the purpose of review. Of course, it's going to be linked in the description down below, but let's take a look. We're going to have a quick unboxing, do the installation side of things, and then I'll give my final thoughts on the actual screen protector itself. So, let's take a look. So here we have the 3D Impact Screen Protector Pro from RHINOSHIELD. As you can see here, you've got the ultimate impact resistance, everyday scratch defense, dirt repellent technology, effortless installation. This is the transparent model with the anti-blue light protection for the iPhone 16 Pro. Now, it is also available in a privacy and also matte version linked in the description below, and it comes in at $34.99. And I'm not going to pretend that that price isn't high because you only get one screen protector and it's also not a tempered glass screen protector. So let's start off as always with finding out what we get inside the packaging here, and then I'm just going to do a live installation for you guys to let you know just how quick and easy this possibly is based on the description that is given. So of course, like pretty much all screen protectors these days, you get the installation tray, and it's just a very simple way of doing things. You line it up, you're good to go, and then you've got your screen protector perfectly aligned to your device. Of course, then we are going to get a little packet here which has all the information that you need with regards to the installation side of things. So I'm hoping that we're going to have everything in here that we need to get the screen protector installed. So let's just take a very quick look here. So the first thing we are going to be having here, of course, is going to be a little microfiber cloth. Now, of course, it's very small, very tiny. If you've got one of your own that's a little bit bigger, it may be a better option. We're then also going to get some dust removal stickers and also some guide stickers. Now, I'm not sure why we've got guide stickers because of the installation tray. And then we do have a squeegee here as well, branded with RHINOSHIELD, just in regards to getting rid of any of those pesky bubbles. However, what it doesn't come with are any sort of alcohol wet wipes. Now for me, using a wet wipe on a display just kind of adds to the experience, gets rid of any of these sort of more ground in dirt that our microfiber cloth won't get rid of, and it's a little bit of a shame not to see one here. Also, for that price of $34.99, you only get the one screen protector. So it's kind of a one and done situation. If you mess up the first time, you don't really have another option. So I've got my iPhone 16 Pro here, and as always, I would recommend turning off your device just so you don't get any interruptions or distractions or any notifications while you're trying to get the perfect installation. So let's just get to the installation. Let's just see how quick and easy this is going to be in regards to installing this screen protector. So as you can see, we don't have any wet wipe or anything, and I'm not going to be using a separate one. So we've just got here the microfiber cloth. Now, as always, it's always best to install a screen protector just after you buy a device and as soon as you've unboxed it, because then the screen is going to be in that perfect condition for a screen protector installation. The cleaner the screen, the easier it's going to be to get that perfect installation. No bubbles, no hair or dust or anything under there. It's going to be pretty much a perfect install every time. However, if you've used your device for a little bit of time, make sure that you clean it up really nicely just so you've got no issues moving forward. Now, you also want to make sure that you're in as dust-free of an environment as you can do. The best place actually to do a screen protector is in your bathroom just after a hot shower, but I'm not in my bathroom, so I'm going to be using the dust removal sticker here just in regards to getting rid of any dust or lint that may have fallen down onto the screen side of things. And again, you want to take your time here in regards to getting rid of every single piece of dust, more so with this screen protector because you've only got one shot at doing so. Now, I'm not sure if you can lift it up and relay it, for example, later down the line, or if you do mess it up and you lift up a corner and you want to relay it. I'm not sure whether you can do that with this particular screen protector. I know that some out there, mainly the glass side of things, you can do so, but not sure with this one. So as always, you want to put the tray over the phone here. It actually clicks in pretty nicely, so you know you've got that perfect alignment, as you can see just here, and you're pretty much set and ready to go. And then once your phone is in the tray and everything is aligned, all you need to do is just pull on this bottom tab here. So all that's going to do is take off the bottom layer of the screen protector, and then it's just basically going to adhere by itself. Now you can kind of see at this point if you've got anything stuck under there. As you can see, I don't really think that I do. There are some bubbles here, but that's what the squeegee's for. So all you want to be doing is just pushing these bubbles off to the side. Now you can do this once you've taken off the tray side of things, but it's best to do it as best you can just at this point and then take the protective tray off in just a second. But as you can see here, it's a pretty perfect install overall. Now when you do take the tray off, don't worry, you will have a top layer that comes off with it, but that's not going to be the screen protector, it's just the top protection side of things. So as you can see here, once you've done everything and you've followed all of the steps, you're pretty much set and ready to go. Now for me, you can see here that I've just got one bubble left on the screen itself. Now luckily it's towards the edge, and all you need to do is just push it out here with the squeegee, and I've actually got a pretty pretty perfect install first time around, which again is lucky because you only get one screen protector in the package. Another quick wipe here as you can see, and we're pretty much set and ready to go. You can then just go ahead and power on your device and you should have everything ready here. Now, as you can already see, there are some things that I'm going to be talking about with this screen protector, just with regards to the overall look of the screen protector itself, mainly around the camera and Face ID side of things as well. But once it's all cleaned up, you've got pretty much a perfect screen. Now again, it's best to do this once you get it straight out of the package side of things, but as you can see here, I've been using the phone for around a week or so now, and it still looks perfectly fine. Just entering my PIN code off screen, and as you can see here, once everything's unlocked, you've got a very nice finish on this screen protector. Now, don't get me wrong, do I like a matte screen protector? Yes, but this one is still pretty good. As you can see here, it goes right up to the edge side of things. There is a very tiny black border that goes around the top of the actual screen protector itself, around the edges, but you can't really see it once it's on the device. As you can see here though, you do have some cutouts around the Face ID and the camera side of things, which does look a little bit different if looked at from certain lighting. Now there is also a tiny little bit of dust stuck under there as well, because at the very top, I don't think it actually adheres to the screen itself, so you've got kind of like an air gap around the top side of things, but in general, it feels nice. It feels like a brand new screen. It's kind of got a brand new oleophobic coating on there, so again, using the device and pressing on the screen, you can see here that it's very minimal, if any, when it comes to the fingerprint side of things. Now, although it's not a glass screen protector, it does add a little bit of thickness to the screen itself, just due to the impact of the 3D screen protector here. So what that does though mean is it's kind of a sort of rubbery almost material, so if you're going to be accidentally dropping your phone or placing it face side down, or any scratches or having it in the keys with the pocket or anything like that at all, then you shouldn't really have any issues when it comes to the scratches side of things. Now I've also got one of RHINOSHIELD's solid suit cases here, just to see how it plays along with the case side of things once you've got the screen protector on there, and as you can see, no issues at all. The screen protector is just small enough while offering full coverage of the screen here, where if you do have a case with a slightly larger border on it, like this one here for example, there's not going to be any lifting or anything like that whatsoever. Now also having a screen protector on the device does mean that the lay on the table side of thing with cases does look a little bit reduced, but in my opinion that's not necessarily a bad thing because you've just got that extra level of protection here. Now, while I think this is a great screen protector, in fact probably one of the best non-tempered glass ones out there, RHINOSHIELD did send this over for review, so I'm hoping they're going to be watching because I do have some feedback. Now for me, not having any sort of wet wipe or alcohol wipe in the packaging is not the best thing, because you really want to get a perfect clean on it before the installation side. Also, when it comes to the price here of $34.99 for only one screen protector, it would be nice to have a second one in there just in case anything goes wrong with the installation side of things. So for me, other than the price side of things, I think it's actually a pretty good screen protector overall. The installation was super easy, the finish on the screen protector is great, and in general it's a perfect fit. And that's going to do it guys for this video on the 3D Impact Screen Protector Pro from RHINOSHIELD. Now like I mentioned in my final thoughts a second ago, the price side of things isn't necessarily amazing for what you're getting, but it is a pretty darn good screen protector. However, as always, let me know in the comment section down below exactly what you guys think of this. If you've got a new iPhone or if you've got any device and you use a screen protector, what type is it you're currently using? Is it a matte one, a privacy one, maybe even a tempered glass? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, while you're down there, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a like down there as well, and if you're not already subscribed, now's a great time to do so. And of course, once you've hit the subscribe button, don't forget to turn on notifications so you're notified anytime I post a video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.